Blay Pibaro, Kibapet Yakaniko Kubor, Upet Ngo Cable News. Kimat Makong San Manta Kata Yo Kilong. Nangjur ke Jingatir, Hapadeng ke India, Bat ke Pakistan. Dum Teliu ke Solshilo, Maria Rio ke Siren Bashawan Kertma. Lum Jingalang, Deputy Chief Minister, Bat ke Officer, KBSF, ke Deputy Commissioner, Halo ke Jingke, Sainarsha, Hakatan Kapur. Umas Nyau Bahalang Thar, Udeban Hershuki Mardor, Nang banyo ya ke jingtok ket ke Bakhoi ong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Penpulam ki pulet ke Ribhoi District ya ke jing temulum pisa ke HNLC yok kem armut kit khot. Penjari ke Sorkar da ke Korkiu Mir haki jaka Kapur ke Jela Bat Bangladesh. Pau bha ke St. Edmunds, St. Anthony's bat ke Laban Bengali Boys haki result HSSLC arhajar arpusan. Bat kakam rep so strawberry kedai ke bapinyo nong bha yakinong rep. Hadin jong ka jing syasiat yap arpon reungut ki mensimbriu ki balui ha Pahalgam jong ka Jammu bat Kashmir dang step pengap ha kesibalang jong ka tayo ki sipai jong kari India ke lasdang ya ke Operation Sindur ban pinher keput da ke bather de ki namding ya ki ketem jong ki lekno ki badan ha kari Pakistan.
Katanat yadari jongkari India kalapan menaba kelas sedang yak Operation Sindur bat kisipai kari kilather yak jingdon jing M jigila no ha Pakistan bat hajamu bat Kashmir kedasan syarak Pakistan yak balapan trekam yak kampen triam persya kari India. Katanat yadari kalapan tibru bakisipai kilather bom yak kenai teli kijaka kiberi kijaka trekam jigila no bat kam jumlatau kijaka jong kisipai ke Pakistan. Kini kesenjam kiwan hadin kijing tombor bersut kai jigila no ha Pahalgam hakaba kinong India bat bakentup ru iwe unong shok shong ke Nepal kelas apniap gila no. Lalu kene kijing jak kelas sedang kijing ther puli ba kijing ther ki namding hapada kini artli kiri bat aksi palai sipai jok India kilayo asiat igeling sunya pom jok Pakistan ha Punjab baik liyo kemru iki arngot ki pilot ni kinong nya igeling sun. Kisipai ke Pakistan kelas sedang banther keleng ki benta jaka kaput ke badan marjan bekari India lagi namding bat ki drone mrai kini layok pen pulam no rek sipai ke India. Kari India ke beteng ke Operation Sindur hakaba kala la banther hakeleng ki benta jaka Pakistan bagane ke jinge ther mar yang kelan ye beteng. Kini kejeng kena ada pedang kiri arti kiri kalau pelong pada kipat ba jadi arti kiri bencong sier badap daga jeng syap tiang balada ja bakan ikat makan nang he kat banang mikisni diberi ru nang syong sier.
Ke Office jong ke Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guards ke Jela hak sebaar jong ke tayo kala penlong ya ke mock drill hakeleng ke district jong ke Jela kum shibenta jong ke jing penkre ya ke jing syawan hertma bat hak por hendri shiteng janmit kala le ya ke air raid precaution bat kala don ru ya ke blackout ne ke jing penlip ya ke boarding electric hadin bakala don ke jing penpa ya ke siren.
Joint Director Jangka Meghalaya Home Guards and Civil Defence UMR Marak ulang bagajing penlong ya kene mock exercise kene kom shibenta jangka penkre jangka jing sya hertma bat aku juga por bantek ber kemi bniaru bahado kano kene katanat kelalong kepala kre. Hagrong ba shilong ya kene mock exercise la penlong ha ke St. Anthony's Evening School, St. Anthony's School Don Bosco Square la imkra shilong Hakabaka State Disaster Response Force kalale eka mock evacuation pada search pada rescue operation. Lalor kani hakamaran football ha mau diang ke Civil Defence Warden but Civil Defence Volunteer kila penlong ya ka mock search and rescue operation kat bahu umpling hajan kewin demia. Katanat Fire and Emergency Service kelalek ke mock drill ban penlip ke jeng proding. Hakapor ru beje janmiet lalek air raid precaution hakaba lapan pa air ka siren bat kipat ba kelep lep ig boarding electric ne ke ba ki ong ka blackout ka ba minute. Wala ki babon ki yang kisam kelep lep ig light haba kli asno ig siren ragi pat ba ki basa kapsor wala kim shum lay asno ig jing pa ka siren kelep lep ig boarding electric ag yang kisam joki hakapor ru steng janmiet. Wala kini ke blackout kelat rekam sembilan empat kanu kanu kejing thot akabai day bar kejingnya kikali ki surok ki bapun me rengkat ya kalai jengki. Hadian bakari India kelather ya ki ketem jengki kenhon le ano ki badan hak Pakistan occupied Kashmir dan step perngap hak balang. Ki babon kila shimkya bani shim bentalang hak ne mock exercise kebela penlong da ketenat home guards but civil defense.
So whoever in the vehicles, the police will do the traffic management and all, but in the vehicle they can have a normal routine. Nobody will be disturbed actually. But whoever walks in the road and stuff like that, they are supposed to cover themselves once they hear the sirens and all. Of course, at home they have to switch off, but in the vehicle, otherwise again the traffic movement will be disturbed. If somebody stop the car and then Shillong, we have a traffic problem everywhere, so that will not be disturbed.
What about those solar light that installed in different parts?
We have already given the instructions, inverters and all. We have requested to switch off, and we request all the citizens actually to cooperate with us. And with this drill, you know what happened. India has already struck the terror camps this morning. So it depends now. God knows, it should not escalate. Earlier those days, like we used to dig the trench and all. I used to hear from my bosses and ex-bosses. They used to dig the trench, and we have wardens in Tura, and they're very old. And but he expired now. One of our chief warden. He used to tell stories, but he's also a civil defense volunteer. He even went for training in Nagpur in civil defense college. So he used to tell us that those days they used to dig the trench, they used to give training how to dig the trench and how to hide when the bomb is dropped, what they are supposed to do. All this training was given. The second phase is coming. We will be giving training to the citizens, to the school students, to everybody in the later stage on how to dig the trench and how to cover themselves. But like we are doing it in a very short time. Actually, we receive the information also just day before at night only, and then we had a series of meeting yesterday, and we have to do the planning, so we cannot look into all this now. So but training will be coming later on in the second phase.
Usembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejala ubak Preston Tensong ubak kemiru ya katanat kampo ieng hagas ni hat majai jong kata yau ulalum ya kejingalang bat ke officer sorkar bat kesipai BSF banyak tai sani halo kejing sateng jong kejing kier sainar hakaput bat kari Bangladesh.
Usembut Menteri Rang Bak Kejala ubak kemiru ya katanat korbari Kejala ubak Preston Tensong Hagan ru teruk jemang Hajar Arpusan, ulalumi ke jingelang bat ki Head Officer ke BSF, rengkat bat ketenat revenue, bat kumjo bat ki Deputy Commissioner ne kebentar bane kedan lor ke jing saateng, ke jingker Sainarsha ke jaka kapot ke India bat Bangladesh. Habakran ha kinong patai kubor, uba Preston tensong uletu, bahaga jaka kapot ha East Gentle Hills, ha ka than kapot ki bampat dep ban ker Sainarsha ke don salai pulai kilometer. Hais Khasi Hills kasa asah nyau hadok pra kilometer, bat hari lom garo kila jandap satang kendiat. Kumta hagan ke jingalang labata igi Deputy Commissioner bagi let jurip biang ye kini jaka kaput. Kenang ban yo ban sedang no ke jingkiar Sainarsha hagi jaka ke bedangsa. Ulong ru ba ke jinglong jingman ha kari kamtam igi jela ke bedan ha ke tan chtelam mingi. Kiba marjan ba kari Bangladesh. Kabalong kabam shingan, kumta ke sorkar ka kuat ban penting kena bagi jingkir Sainarsha agi jaka ha katan kaput on la ban pendep no kloy. Ha kabedai bagi jing persya kipat ba ulong bagi don nakikat to kaningot kinong syong syong ki ba persya. Nrei ki wei pat ki diban sngutho ba kani kadai ka jingete kendon hap deng giri. Bagi jingkir Sainarsha kadai ban long shispa sanpau yard no zero line. Na pro artli giri. Ula kedawru badan negi shnong ki baladayat ke jingkir Sainarsha akindan negi shnong ki banhap syabar ke jingkir Sainarsha. Bar hakum kini ki kap ke sorkar keladak bantuan ke siti sya ke tenat Home Affairs ke sorkar pedeng. Bahkan sim kia yakum kini ki shnong kenang bakin om sya akta. Bagi basa hakum kini ki shnong bar halor kani ke sorkar kadang ab ke jing menjur na ke tenat Home Affairs. Uba Preston tensong uli turu bagi jinglong jingman ha ke tan kaput kadan hap pedeng ke syong suk syong san. Bat kadang kejing pet ngor ni kita nak terikam boper ban penting kenai kejing syongsuk ha kejela bat agari barok kawai.
With Revenue Department, we are meeting with the Deputy Commissioners of these border areas, be it East Gentle Hills, West Gentle Hills, East Khasi Hills, even from Gari Hills. So we discuss about the pending issues of fencing, border fencing, and today I discussed quite a number of issues, which is ultimately reached to the conclusion that the Deputy Commissioners concerned will walk out, will sit down again with the stakeholders. Like in West Gentle Hills, we have about a stretch of 30 or 35 kilometers stretch, where ultimately we do have these challenges with the land issue. So now I've instructed all the Deputy Commissioners, be it East Gentle Hills, be it West Gentle Hills, and also the other district, to again revisit and to consider this issue as a topmost priority, because you know well the situation in the in the country as a whole, and especially for us, the northeastern state, which is bordering to Bangladesh, is not that conducive. So we really wanted to make sure that the boundary fencing needs to be completed at the earliest possible. Few villages, they are against it, and number one, because this is the international norms, international agreement made between countries to another countries, that the international boundary should be 150 yards each side. So when you want to have a fencing, like for India, we want to have a fencing, so therefore we should not cross that 150 yard. It should be within that 150. You cannot go beyond that, because this is the international norms. However, as I said to you, few stretches were there where ultimately if the fencing has to go from the village itself, then the village will be treated ultimately outside the fencing. So in this context, what we have done is we have written a letter to the MHA to consider those points or those particular locations where we have to make sure that the village or the habitation it should be within the fencing of the border fencing or the boundary fencing, and we have written this letter to the MHE, and the MHE also has considered a bit about this, and more challenges are there. 2-3 places also are there where we still awaiting the approval of the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Ubak Presiden Tensong habai keren bekilat patai kubor akan rutrik ujemang arajar arpusan. Ulang bahalor kamat kebede berkelentiral ke sorkar syan ke sekot de gejingelang bat borok kisang san pertai bat kibrio ke badan benta kenang bante begejing sengojongki halor ke gamat. Habakran halor ke jingong Menteri Katenat Railway ke sorkar Pedang Ubak Presiden Tensong ulang bagejing keren jong Menteri Katenat Railways kadai ke basisha nomor uang bag sorkar Pedang kadang kuat ban peneso ke Meghalaya leng bag kelentiral. Pada kani lalaya om bani ujing mentoy mano-mano ndre gejing mentoy kadahi jong kibrio ke jela. Ubak Presiden Tensong ulang bahag kabayday bagajalahi dangsyan Menteri Rangba uladap ban pentep balathaw ya ke komiti. Bat kejingelang habarok kisengsen bertai on sepenlong bat hadin kani on sekot ya barok kibedan benta hapok kani kejingelang berlam kemat Menteri Rangba banio banetai hasyo ban shemekan nogarai. Ubak Presiden Tensong ulang bag sorkar kedan kam ban metai bat banekran bahaswa halor kani kemat kenang besengutu igijing bat kibagi-bagi benta. Ha kabedai bat ke line permit ulang bagi sorkar ru kakwa ke line permit bat day nak kena daw bagi yang dorbar tauan ru kelap pediang ke resolution halor kania ndrei halor kalentiral ke sorkar kakwa bani kenduk ya barok ke badan benta ha kena kemat kenang banyo ya keren.
See the statement made by the Honorable Minister of Railway. It is true. What he said the government of India is still very keen to connect Meghalaya with railway. And this is done not for their interest. It is for the interest of the people of the state. But again, when you talk about the state, recently Chief Minister has already constituted a committee. All party meeting will be held, and then after that again the meeting will be called under the chairmanship of Chief Minister himself to all the stakeholders, to all concerned, and we will discuss. Frank discussion has to be there, and ultimately decision will be taken. But let me tell you one thing, even from our side, I personally feel we need railway. But when I say we need railway, we need also to carry everybody on board. We cannot just say because I need it should happen. Therefore, on the basis of these issues where we still have, so we discussed and we decided from the government side that the all party meeting has to be there, and also meeting with all the concerned stakeholders will be called by the chief minister. See, that's what I'm telling you. Let us meet first. Once we meet, once we discuss face to face with all the stakeholders, then only we will understand what is the loopholes, what is the problem, and then whether this subject can be carried forward or not. So, as I said to you, let us wait, and then we will see what is to be done.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC hakasngi palai jong katayau kaladawa ba uba senia balang dhar udai ban herno nakashuki ku mesembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ban ailat ya kajing toket persya ya halo kajing keno ba uladon kti mensua hakaban bai tengka ya kakan hun king atyar hinyau trap National Liberation Council HNLC.
Kaseng Kongres hak pratrik jemang arajar arpusan kelepen mena bakan o medan benta hak all party committee benekaran lo kejing tumu peneso lentiral hak jela daga bakadau bakadai kejing tau ke sorkar kene ke komiti ru kedai na kejing pamla jongka banwengi kejing belapen snow degi patba habakran ni galat patai kubor secretary ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Badwar ulong bagajing tau ya ke all party committee de ke sorkar jela benekaran halor ke kambe dai bat ke lentiral Kapan isya ya kejing mamlak jong sorkar ban penbet ikimat kibakta ikipat bat nong syong ke jela. Bat harian bagi sorkar ke sengau baglas akut de kejing bagi sengau bakamlak ban wengi ladia ne kita kejing Kumta ke don kam mene werlut ya baro kenang ban syak kenok lang baro. Uba Manuel Badwar ulabok kejing keli ba syano kajak kata ke all party committee hakpor baka sorkar jela ketemu banwanra iki kasino. Ulang ru basyanu kejak ke all party committee hakapor bayaran penbet pot bagi jela asam. Bat ula benrap ru ba ila jet gi patba menelam dak sarkar ki bagi de ban pendep ila ka kamram kumbala ban syat daki patba.
The government has not formed an all-party committee for many important things that are important for the state. They take the decision on their own. Right? Why? Because they have the majority. So it has been decided by the public at large for the government, MDA government, to take decisions on their own. Now, whenever they're stuck in some sticky ground or the other and they can't move left or right or center, they'd like to pull everybody into the bandwagon and blame everybody else. That's not right. So why should the Congress participate in each and everything that they feel as if they can't handle on their own? It just shows their weakness. They've been given the mandate by the public at large to run the show. They should run the show on their own, and we will see if it's right or it's wrong. But to form an all-party committee, what do they mean? It's just a hogwash, just to whitewash everything else and just to show people that look, we're trying to involve everybody. So if you want to involve everybody, then involve everybody in everything. Don't just involve in one agenda or the other, which you feel as if you're in sticky ground. That's not acceptable, right? I think I've made myself clear. The Congress will definitely not be a part of this committee because we don't believe that whenever you're running into sticky ground and you can't decide on anything and you pull everybody apart. I mean, you pull everybody together and blame everybody else. Is that right? They've been given mandate by the public, to run the show. So let them run the show. Did they have an all-party committee when they decided about casinos? They did not have. Did they have an all-party committee about when they decided about border issues? They did not have. So why pick and choose?
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC haka pratrek ujemang arhajar arpusan keladawan usumbut Menteri Rang Baak Jela bas nyaw balangdhar banhir syuki kenang ban penti kena bagajing toket kaniat bet bat kanlong ke bakhoi bat la kadawru baka Kongres kamdan betae halor kejing keno kumbala kerandung nong aktien ke sarkar Jela. Habagran hakilat petai kubor uba Manuel Badwar haka pratrek ujemang ulapan pa bagajing sokya halor kejing tanlang uba poleng do ya ka kerteng ke seng Kongres hak jing syak keno usumbut Menteri Rang Baak Jelau ba asnyau balangdhar hak HNLC namar da kalong kumno ru ulong bu kren syai ba keseng kamdan benta halor kani bala kadi kata kejing keno ba HNLC kadai ke sarkar MDA beruba asnyau balangdhar bakin syemekarai ben hersuki na kejing long menteri rang ba kejing toket kaniat bet ulong ba ke Kongres ka kenta jikano kejing keno anrela da kejing keno kalong shisha ki kidai tangki kam shimet jong ba asnyau balangdhar om da kejing itip lang ne kejing menjur da keseng Kongres. Bat keseng Kongres ka pendram ne kanu kejing idai jong seng san pertai ki riu shimet ne menteri sarkar bat ki kam bean ne ki kam ki belong persya kari. Bat kelepen pau ke Kongres ka kloy benet triang bagi bor sarkar ne benta kejing toket. Kadang ban penti kena bat banwan ra ya kejing bisyar ke bahok. Kani kejing dawa hiar syuki ubu sembut Menteri Rang Baak Jelau ba asnyau balangdhar kawan hadian kejing syak keno dan keti ban bei tengka ya keseng HNLC. Hakapor bu uday Menteri Sarkar Jela belelam da keseng Kongres.
Spokesperson juga MDA itu buang ba utang lang ya ke keteng juga Kongres Parti ya kini ga kontroversi mo kini jinja baca ini. But ila bakwa ban scam ni kecil buat juni ba kalau sa untuk dulu ke parti kamnong involve AA ini. But ada kadai kita ke acquisition ke parti keno ketika MDA government kapan kapsin mi kata karai but idi ba singaw halang dhar iba kapsin mi karai ba inhap yar syuki na kajing no minister jungi kenang ba ke investigation kata kajing wajing tir company kajing topik company kajing ja kandai ke khamsani ba kandai ke AKA ke banwanra sisai hok Bakum ke parti ngimdan keti AAUM hakta ka AAA ban keno pan kibre ban su harap lumar kaditang kan kom ban tap etmio AKA gitu tulot jong lajong ban nginget ban ngi up lano ka MDA government kan penhar syuki yesgo balangdar bat kan ongi namar ba hakano rukom keti toket kan klan kada minister market sadan be kata political interference ini ko aban ong manaka parti kampat judan menurut kani ka parti ke scam yakin nomdem jong jong kabat kabas kem kabat kanum kanu kaporu bat kile no kinum bangti bat kadi parti kabat ndai tabatang mentah bat menuru bat nikwa bat susu ikat bat nikwa ke parti gede ban kam nama ke allegation kam dik baret kami ke allegation kabala kham kabala long serious ba te kami kata ada allegation ngatrai nga kadon kam hi ke state baro away perkipat ba kadon kam menyo hi ya hok kata hok kadi ban wan hai ngai ban dia pada ke token ni te ngin bot tien ban ngin pet bangin ai ke jing rap nak parti la de don kam tip company de don kam ke bangin di kwa ma support ngin support me nama kedi anti national kedi jaga imlang salam di pat ba hi bro khai kam le bang long hani ke kom tang kata kenya pentin ni condemn ni ke pat ma chukuno bat kharap lumar ke kongres ku maksha kharap menen nam su ya ham dia
Kinoy alam jong Kakasi Students Union KSU hakala siuble jong katayo ke lapen bana baki lapen sange no shwa shipor ya kejing ya ki jongki hakabede bat kejing bombyang karukom tungkam tungjam hapo ke negrims ke KSU kala shim ya kene karai hadin kejing wan ya shim benta ha kejing alang kabala lum da kesokar jala ringkat kejing don lang kibor pinya jong ke negrims hadin bakaseng kala yo ya kejing kular ban shim kia mardor ya kimat jing dawa jong
Hadin kejing penlong ya kejing ki ke belas sedang ngaduk kecitrik jemang arhajar arpusan. Halor kejing mamiat bet kerkom tongkam ya kina sanegrims. Haga santrik jemang arhajar arpusan ka KSU ke leshime karai ben pensengi aswa shipor ya kini kejing ki. Karai jong kaseng mensengi eno shipor ya kejing ki kelong hadin kejing elang balakot de kesorkar jela hapdeng director, deputy director bat care officer ke negrims. Bat kinong elam ka KSU hapo kejing elam menteri sorkar ke jela ubak poleng do. Haba keren ban penbenaya kini ubak lambok Starwell Marngar Presiden ke KSU ulong bahadin kini kejingelang ke KSU ke leshime karai ba kaseng kan sawan biang shenegrims bane keren lor kimat kiba kini kejaka sumar kala ban penbet marmar. Nalor kini kesorkar jela kala kularu bagan selek Delhi bane keren lor kimat jingdawa ke KSU bat ka tenat jongkok kakia pan penurlong ya kini kimat bat kumjuk kinong penat kene grims kila ko uru bagi pesangi aswai kini kejing tungkam kat ba ampala ban penurlong ya kini kimat jingdawa habakran bat uru ben ubari chairman ke employment cell ke KSU ula penting bagi KSU kelara ekamat jong karta tapkam agene kejaka sumar namar kejing penhiar kensan ne karta na kalai pusan jaka lai pau senam kanwan ra ya kejing ya kebakrau ya kitu kibriu kiba apply kam namar bagi nomla asyuk ban tapkam ya kum kini Ula banrap bagi wei kimat baka KSU kadawa hadian bandon da kejakat ho eksemen nalor kania ke KSU keladawaru baka negrims kadeben penteri kamardor ke bahak tungkam ba prapo la arpo ikina skentai betsenrang nalor kibai kimat.
Pan priang bandong bagimat kindawa jo KSU ki belong songnia ba sonong rem aso bandong na kaliang jong ibor penjat ni rem kimban se ban kubur pat kita ki pentag makrana kong ki bala ban le hene nadung la sai ka sngi sa chong pat ki nong bor penjani krem pan pet pat mi bnia ya ka ba ta ki penta ki bala ban le sa le na pat nam ta ka jingbet jingbiang kham tam nam ta ka jimun toy jong baro sarlan sa kum ka seng kanam shong klikti kum ka seng kanam syukut andai ngen yai potien na ka por sekpor wat se wat ta kimat ki ba pat long cispa na ka cispa andai ngasubandong na kaliang jong bor penjat ni krem ihap pan pendam mentaka sengi aka jingeter jingatai pat kaseng hibro kowe te halor pedeng kita ke jingemer jum jingeter jingatai mene kasengi nakaliang ila sodai ya kaliang kasi isi akabangi nang apru kataga banlech po no ba dari ban yakran yakta kimat ke bakas nakaliang jobor kan krem kemla ban rai nakaliang jo kaseng sipor kamdai bengi penkot ndai sipor mentaka sengi saweng no ya kaneka set in nutrition hang ne po school ne po jaka sumar ne po ne grem rekam semut ba kita kijing yaki to kaseng ila kot nrai isotu ba ala penginyat ta kalenti pat kam tam bangin peteng yiru ya kawan budi ni kikam nang bangin yo I ba kita kijing tawa pat jing trang jo kaseng gelong ko yai baik nanti pat kam tam gelong ko job asoban ong kadai kabor bagi ikhtiar jong pi wai pat Yerham hacimut seperkat ke jongpi. Kani skul kani ke Cakas Sumar, kani cimentoy jong perlo persnam, kamtam ginong song slong jong jalai bro kuwai.
Hadin ke jingelang bat ki dikot ke KSU dong ngelam ke Negrims na kaliang u menteri ke sarkar jelau ba poleng do uleto ba ke Negrims kalashi mekarai ben pensenge syai barok jing tongkam ha ke Cakas Sumar. Ula pentep ke kenhuan ke ba unyalam ha ke jing bamdan ke menteri ke tenat ke koi ke kia kan panpor benia kendo ya menteri ke tenat ke koi ke kia ke sarkar preng bane keren kikam ki belong sabar ke bor joginok penyat ke Negrims ha kini ki kindat sengi banwan. Bat kini kelong namar bagadon ru ke Governing Council jong ke Negrims kaba dan bentalang menteri sarkar preng bat kelarai ru bakin sera kini bane keren ya kikam kijam bat ke Governing Council. Ula pentip bagi jingelang ha pergi bor penyat ke Negrims bagi KSU kan salong ha ka hendru tarik bani keren halor kikam ke bedai bat ke roster registry.
These developments, the Negrims has also decided that until all matters are sorted out, matters that might impact the recruitment process, the Negrims will halt the entire recruitment process, and we should be able to sort matters out in a matter of a week or so. In view of these developments, the leaders of the KSU have been requested to call off their sit-in demonstration. They have been very positive in their response, and they will formally need to get that decision endorsed by their General Council, which they will be holding either later today or tomorrow. So hopefully it will happen today. So these are the developments. I will keep you updated as and when there are further developments on the matter.
Kipulit jong kari Boy District hagasin sajan jong katayo baladap kilayok kem yaki arngot kidukot jong kakenhuan king atyar Nyautrap National Liberation Council HNLC kibaladon kti hakaban lum yakapisa kabakaseng kaladawa na kihe saipan hari Boy District.
Ki bor pulit ke distrik Riboy hadin ke jing toket bagi jing bodin ke babnya halor ke jing don jogi kato menungut ki breu ke beren kti bagi seng HNLC. Ki balik ki kampen teriam bak dawa pisah ke kerteng keseng. Ki pulit kelala ban penpulom no ya ke jing temu dawa pisah de ke bakem no arngut ki dekat jang ke HNLC. Kini ki arngut ke belasya kem ki pulit ki de ke belatip kerteng kumu pendap bok makri bad ulari pen kemen nong shli. Katkom ke jing itu usuperintendan ke pulit ke distrik Riboy UVS Rathor. Ula pentip bagi pulit ki layok jing tip walau ke jing don keti jang ki dekat ke HNLC ban lek ke kampen teriam kum ke jing dawa pisah na kinong kayi na kinong tre sarkar hakalang kejela. Kumta ki pulit kilapit ngor bah halor kani. Netoru bah gejeng pet ngor ba gejeng kanra ki pulit aka arterik ujemang. Kilayo ban kem syua yo pendap bok makri nalat kuinain hak distrik Riboy ubrang temu ban syeme kepisa ke baladawa balala ban pun pulom no ya gejeng temu ban lum pisah jong ke HNLC. UVS Rathor ula pentip bru bah gejeng toket ki pulit kilayo apat ban kem seulari pen kemenong shli na tera. Da ke jingerap ki pulit ke East Jante Hills pada pengat kini baru arngot haki kendon an. Lai thoru baka kenhun HNLC ke batrekam na Bangladesh ke judan ketiban pa ki dekat jongka ke badan ha Meghalaya ban lum pisa bat mandai ki kampen teriam ha ke bagi jumpa aru ki sithi dawa pisa leng bagi WhatsApp ban dawa pisa ni kinong kayi bat kinong tre sarkar. Bat ban berngem ru iki kumju iki bahayang basam lada kim ko ungu ke jing dawa jong ke HNLC. Bon ngot ki kena ki baloi ki syak pengop no ki beri ke HNLC ban lek ki kam ki bamman bagi balong persyak ke an namar bagi sengo yo kamai he klem dapat khat pat ba lada ki syak kem ken ngat dah ke jing pensaja ke beteng e mat mat ke jing jar kat bagi dekat ke HNLC ha Bangladesh pada ki emsuk.
Kum sibenta bantek lakam yaki mender ni kinu kiriu seniu bakin yok banwan rung tu syapo jong kari leng ba kitan kaput ki badan marjan bat kari Bangladesh ke sokar jala hakasni palai jong katayo kala penjari de ka korpiu met hakitan kaput jong ke jala Meghalaya.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala penjari deka curfew met kat kum ka kedon cis pa andro pulai jong ka BNSS ha jaka kapot ka Meghalaya bat Bangladesh bantela ka me jingrong jimi ki breu kan to bikireu king atiar bat kinong khayi be an. Kani ke jing penjari kala jaru hapdeng ka jinge kenat ke India bat Pakistan hadian bak India kala ther nam ding ye ki kitem jagile no Lashkar i Taiba bat Jaish-e-Mohammed ha Pakistan bat ha Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Kenang ban lakban penihar keput ya ke jing tambor ha Pahalgam. Kebalashim ya ke jing em jeki arpun rengut ki beriau ki beri kinong jengok kai pertai. Katkum ke hukum balapan mi dagi Deputy Commissioner ka West Janta Hills kani ka curfew met kan treka mardor naduk kepor pra bejemen met hadu hendro bejemen step. Haki jaka ba hadu ars pa meter no zero line. Ha East Khasi Hills pat kini ka curfew kan trekam naduk kepor pra bejemen met hadu hendro bejemen step. Haki jaka ba hapok ka 10 kilometer radius no zero line bat kan trekam arbanai kanti. Kini ki Deputy Commissioner Kelaong bak jaka kaput haki ki district kadai namar babon kidai ki bampat ker sainar syah. Bak kadai ke besuk bah bandrung bean di kibrion na Bangladesh. Bak ki dikot jeng kirunar kibran jingnya dai bak kiri atiar bat ki kenhon le no. Kibala bani lumbun beriu hajan ke jaka kaput ke pormen miet ban le ki kambeman. Katkum gini ke hukum lakang persya ke jengyat ki beriu ke jaka kaput bat kiri Bangladesh da ke jeng temu banjam syasiliang uput ni bandrung bean ci India. Lakang ru bani lumberiu basan ngut Nepalat bat bandra ikitiar pen mensau ke balak ban pendon kam kum kitiar relek bat kentup iki dieng ki mau ke jaka kaput ke India bat Bangladesh. Lakang ru ikinu ki kambean ke jing khayi bean ki masi ki mar ki mata ukwai tempau bat kiwai ki mar ke balak ban bo hak jing mah.
Kirunar ke bamla ban itu ke badan ya ke jing temu ke basneo hakamet jong ke singuble jong ke tayo ke baladab kila let bantang ya ki artli ke kamra school jong ke umsning town Dorba secondary school ke badan hakashnong umsning proper Hariboy district bat kene ke jing jak lapan ngosi ke thang ya ki kena school bat ya ki bor penya jong ke school.
Kirunar ki bamla ban itu dor kamat hakamiet jong ka sautrek ujemang arjar arpusan kilalit bantang ki artli ki kamra kelas jong ke umsning town Dorbar secondary school kabadan hakashnong umsning proper. Kabalawan ra ke jing do nong bat ke jing sengosi ke bakrau ki bor penyat jong ke school. Kumle thu di bor penyat ke school bekentup yo ba Angela Star Konghat ucaman ke school managing committee bat ikong BL nong lat ibere ke principal. Kili thu ba kili ojing tip halo kene ke jingjah ke por katwe beje men miet ha ke baladon kirunar ki bamla ban itu dor kemat ke balarung sepok ke skol batangi ki artli ki kamera kelas. Kili thu ru bagi bor ke skol kila subajor ba kini kirunar ki balarung batang kidai ki balarung nak benta ke basyadian. Namar ha bakmi benia ya ki CCTV kamera ki balabuk do kasnong ha kemat ke kerdap jengene ke skol amshim layo oring dur satya. Nakaliang gibor peniat jeng skol kila penram jor kene ke jeng wan le klam akor jeng ni grunar wat ya kajaka ka ba ai ke jeng nang jeng start. Kabalawan ra ke jeng nong ke bakrau ya ki kena skol. Da ke babenrap ru badang chan kala don teng ke jeng persyang ban le klam akor kene ke rukom. Ndrai namar bakadai ke badang red kala syus ngap no. Ndrai halor kene ke jeng ja ke bamenta ke kenti ki lalet ban ujor ke ejahar ha ka tanat umsning. Kenang ban yo ban penlong ya ke jeng toket bat wat ikibedan benta. Shoshuru namar ke jing sha le klam akor jong ne ke skol ki bor penya skol kim ban se man haban khang shwai ke skol namar ke jing julor na ke jing ja ke bala sha thang
ban ngadon hang ni khamat jong phi ban pen pau ye ke jing pen rem jor ke jonga lo ke ni ke jing ja mo bala wan ja ke ni ke skol ke jong ni klem poi perkhat moi ke ni ke jing ja ni dang wan idang don hing ki sem ke jong ni mo gidang perkhat na ki kam ki bangin sale man ta sni ke skol ke jong ni Ndrai men miet kum bakat wish tengi e ke supoi kol na i president i jongi but ru na gini para no hikai gi basa hanya jan ba kila pentip syanga marmar gani ke jinja mo nam shum lala ban poi ke to ko pon makal amiet el asting snya mo menurut su banwan ban ni hina yeng ru ti menem step ding lawan ban pet ye lawan ban jurep gani ke jaka bla sha thang na ni gani ke kelas ke bede ru ke kelas 9 ti susi mo ngadap ka men sim bujing susi ke jing khia mo ban pan pau shi pi ba kadon kum kani ke jing jakat ha kani ke jaka ba dei ru ka shlem jong ke jing start mo ke ban ai ke jing nang jing start ki khna mo ban ai ke puli ke puti menta ki briu ki wan kum ha kani ka rukam ban le kani ka school kam sung tanat ti kam long ke bas mo tanat ngap rem jor shisha kani ki kind of act of violence or whatever they call it but ngalong na kaliang jong ai head mistress nga kento ken dia ki briu mo ki para marjan ki para shnong para thamo ba kin sova ban pet benia lem ya ka shnong ka thaw ka jungi ba kham tam e ka school bikin lem bishar lem kamtam eru bangila IT ya kan ka kam shathanat imin ke police department bikin le ke badan kam ti nangli shakmat ke badan min sapentep gipi mo
don bok ba don laki nok song snong jong ni snong jongi ki baya inti kelai I ya ka jingklang jong ta gading dikila pentip jangi ke bor snong makuntahi ki nok song snong ba sa hane para marjan ba mangi lagi snong nilai mi budwud banyami banya pelip ya kata gading natin nakaliang jongi empat don ke tips pang tu kita ki bale kini ndre nakaliang jongi pat ngila su bu no ka FIR ha ka by day ba kani ka jingja kenang ba nakaliang kabor jong ka an kinwan kenang ba ngila man tip eno kita ki berus ki bala mut man persang bantang ya kani ka skul jongi
Menteri Rang Ba Kejala Konrad Kesang Ma hakas ni palai jong katayo ulalet jurep i kijingtai ki badan Haniu Shillong Township ka bakanthum ya ka secretariat ka bathma jong kejala ka administrative city bat ki wei ki project ki bakongsan ki badan hakanong ba Shillong
Hakani ke jing jurep Laidan lang ki officer jong tenat planning ba tenat penroisor. Hakabau menteri rang ba kejelau lo kemi bnia ek jinglong jingman jki kam kijam. Hakabede begini kijingtai haka New Shillong Township. Bat kumjo ru ban penpau ya kejesohun lo kurkom ya ki kam kijam baro. Ya ke secretariat ke bethamai latei haka jingmang pisa ke bakot syajar sispa prapu praklor tengga ba lubo por ban pendep no ikini kijingtai ha ke benta pedeng jong kesnam arhajar arpunyo. Menteri Rang Ba ulong mahadin beladap bantai pendap ikini projek ne kathan omtang bakan kelalong kejaka ke Bakongsan ne ke administrative city ndekan no senyang shibon ba ke ban penkeluat ikanong ba Shillong ulong ru begiladap bat snai kusrok akalang ki benta jog New Shillong bat gidang bon ru ki wei pat ki bedang ya chaprang Menteri Rang Ba ulong bagini ki surok akane kejaka ki de ban penyaso bat ki projek baper ki bedan kathan bat kane kan kentiu shibon hakalet kawan Menteri Rang Ba ulalet banjurip ya ka Unity Mall bat ulalet ru banjurip ke surok ke Blashna no Mir Shamau Khanu. Kawin ke surok ke ban penyaso bat ke administrative and knowledge city hagane kathan.
We have come here to the site of the new secretariat and as you can see behind me the work is going on in full swing. In fact the excavation work and the foundation work also is going on at a very fast pace and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work and we expect that the project should be completed on time and we're expecting that sometime in 2027 mid we should be able to complete this project. So this is a very important project because this not only is the overall administrative city, but it will also lead to a large level of decongestion within the existing Shillong city. Because once the administration moves out, then a lot of the space will be open, a lot of the traffic will be diverted, and therefore we will see a large level of decongestion taking place in Shillong city itself. At the same time, as you're aware that we are constructing multiple roads that are leading to the new Shillong area and the secretariat area. Some of them have been completed, some are under the process of being completed, and hence we will have a very good connectivity from the existing Shillong city to the new administrative city. So we've come to see the work, we've reviewed the whole work, and we're very satisfied with the speed of the work, and we expect that the project will be completed on time. We are here in the Mir to Maukunu, this beautiful road, newly constructed road, which is of course part of the overall plan to build up the entire administrative and the knowledge city. Very important connectivity and a very important infrastructure, and as you can see the road has come up very well. And we intend to have the cycling tracks on the side, and at the same time, more importantly, we are discussing with the Soil Conservation Department, and this year itself will be going for a massive plantation, almost close to about 8 to 10 kilometers of plantation will be done all along the road out here, and we will ensure that it's done in a uniform manner. So we'll have a straight line of, for example, the cherry blossom trees, so that it looks in a very uniform manner, or different species, local species also will be doing. So this will really create a proper view and a beautiful view along the road. And we are starting with this road, and this year itself, during the plantation season, which is now, we'll be planting these trees, and we'll be continuing this next year in other roads. For example, the PM Divine Road, which we expect to be completed by next year. We will take up the project in that section. And also within the existing roads in Shillong City also, we intend to expand and have this kind of uniform plantation of trees, so that it gives a beautiful impact and a beautiful view of the city and the roads. Thank you. Am I correct? Yes.
Hagapor menstep Menteri Rangba ulalit banjurip ya ke Polo Mall kebarang sidap tei hapo jang ke Smart City Project. Bagajing shna kene ke mall keladap bagi kam kijam keliyat caprang na kebenta ban IY kidukan kebaran na kene ke mall. Kebaran ru ikejakan na kebenta kikam penbernya jakabam bat kidukan di kijing dia beper. Menteri Rangba ulalit ru banjurip ya ke Riverfront Development Project Apollo berulang bagane ke project kalong ke Bakongsan de ke Bapai Kemat Syam kajin long ke Mariang kajin peniat Kemat gi kamban per internet ke Sor Shillong bat nak kebenta ban penolong ya ke National Games Arhajar Punyo ke Bansawan. Ulapan pau kajin kermen ban lak ban pendap no ya ke wat ke Benengkong jong kajing teh harut jong kawa bat ke Bakam Kongsan kedai kajing pen kuat ya kawa bat ke wat ke baar on sepen kelai ke jaka ban bo kidukan jaga bam jaga yang kali hostel bat kibai. Menteri Rangba ula kentui kinong syong ke jela bane senok tilang bat ke sorkar haga ban pendek ke jengkut jang kuwa umkra bat bane trilang ban penur long ya katong kaba kidon lang hajo.
We have come here today in Polo area to inspect the work of the Polo Mall under the Smart City, as well as the Riverfront Development Project, which is funded by the state government. And as you can see, the work for the Polo Mall is complete, and now we are under the process of renting out or leasing out the different shops that are there, and we are hopeful that within the next couple of months a few of the shops and areas will be active. There is space for entertainment center, there is space for food court, and there are very large shopping areas, and even commercial areas for organizations that wish to have their space there. I'm very happy to see the work in the Polo Mall come up very fast, and as I said, within the next couple of years, couple of months, we should be able to get the rooms and the place active. In regards to the Riverfront project, again, this is one of the very important projects for us, keeping in mind again the overall beautification of Shillong and the National Games, which is coming up in 2027. There are two parts to this particular project. One is the development of the riverfront in terms of the infrastructure, and also the overall cleaning up of the river itself. So we are very keen to do both. Today we have come to inspect the infrastructure development work, and it's going on at very fast pace, as you can see. And we expect that by the end of this calendar year or early next calendar year, hopefully within the financial year of 2025-26, we should be able to complete this first phase of the riverfront. We have a second phase also that's coming up, where we will be building up more areas for smaller shops and eateries, as well as some parking space and some space for people to stay in, more like a hostel area where sports people can come and stay here, and this can become kind of a area for sports training, especially high altitude training. So all of these projects are going on, so I'm very happy to see the progress, and I'm hopeful that, as I said, within the next 8 to 12 months, we'll see this entire riverfront come up very, very well. And but at the same time, I do urge that the riverfront without the river being clean is going to be meaningless. And therefore, I urge the citizens, the local Dorbar, the headmans, and the society at large to work together with the state government to ensure that we are able to keep our rivers clean. This requires the participation of the people, especially the residents, and we will be working very closely with them to ensure that this target also is achieved.
Umentri ke Puli Putih ke Jala Urakam Sangma hakas ke balang jong katayo ula pentip bakila don arpau Teliki College ke bala apply ban pinya sono bat ke Captain Williamson Sangma State University.
Habai keran beginong patai kubor Urakam Sangma ulong bana ke hinyop kendai Teliki College ke bedana ke Jala. Kila don arpau Teliki ke bala apply ban pinya sono bat ke State University bat kumtala pinya cekmat ki kam ha ke bedai bat kene ke bentah. Ulang bagi samla pulih ke apply bandrung kelas akni ke college ke bela penyesok bagi State University kin amdan kam show penilai ke eksamen Common University Entrance Test kuwet. Menteri Sarkar ulang 4 bahadu umenta palat Sanpo Teliki College ke bedana ke Jela kidai ke bedang penyesok bagi skul ba nehu bagi samla pulih ke apply rung kelas akni ke college kin hab benekun ya ke eksamen kuwet. Ulang ru bagi Jela menta kan amdan jeng aha ke bedai bad ke eksamen kuwet namar bagi Jela kedan lupa ke cakap eksamen banile ki kena.
For this as I've been insisting again and again. So we have put so at very outset I would like to congratulate to all the students, the meritorious students and all those who have come out successfully with the flying colors, and all the institutions and all officials for the good result, number one. Number two, look, there is no any technical question answer for this, but it is simple as simple. We everybody put a best approach to see this result. We as officials, as teachers and students, as parents together. So because of this approach, and after all, the teachers and the students, they have really work, and they were very serious in the business. Therefore, we have seen the result, and so this is a good sign that we are moving forward here.
But over 80% pass percentage in SSLC, HSSLC, Arts, Science, Commerce. So it's a big thing.
Yeah,
so the government must have done some sort of experiment.
It's a long process initiative. We know from the day one there is a problem, so we have reached out, as I have said again in the past. We have reached out to all the stakeholders, officials, district administration. We have also instructed all the deputy commissioners to engage one additional DC level to be in charge of education at a particular district, and he keep reviewing, meeting the teachers, head of institutions, and motivating the students. And we have made all the DSUs and the district education officials to visit. We have also instructed all the officials to give their time in visiting the schools and motivating the teachers and the students, and give them the guidance and inspiration. And on top of that, we have designed the system in such a way that we have supplementary classes, supplementary books, right? The question pattern here and there. So we have worked in a multiple way. After all, our Honorable Chief Minister is really committed and dedicated, and he also work up and down to all the nook and corner of the state, meeting the students, motivating the teachers and schools, and we have also improved a lot in the infrastructure also, right? And the government, all the government high secondary school, now we have a good full-fledged building in almost all the government schools. So for all this intervention, multiple intervention approach, I think we are moving on the right track. Yeah.
So how many colleges have so far affiliated with the State University, and anticipating like how many students will not appear for CUET?
No, it is not only about CUET. It's overall improvement, overall agenda of the government to improve the institutions in the state. It is not only about the CUET. It's a more than that, right? So therefore, no, I think many colleges has given their consent to applied for affiliation in the state. University. Number is not with me, but the process is going on and yet to be completed soon. with due process. A certain formality has to be done from the state university side. I think the process is on. So it is not only about CUT. Yes, definitely those as per the ministry instruction, those affiliated institution students, they will have to go through the CUT. But CUT is not the issue at the moment. I don't see any issue reason, because why? The center is also in the state. So we are all, our students, I'm full confident in our students' capability to in appearing the CUT examination. They will clear easily, and all, I mean, they will be writing the CUT examination. They can clear easily, I'm sure.
But how many colleges are actually has not affiliated themselves with state university?
No, out of 79 or 75 total number of colleges, about 22 they have agreed to affiliate with the state university. The formality is on. About the minus, there is about 50 plus still with the NEHU. So they will take a call. But however, CUT is not the big issue for today. Of course, it may be the issue for yesterday because there was no center, and we. So, but the course, our students are well prepared to face, I mean, to appear for the CUT exam. So I don't see any problem as of now today. So if problem arise, government will decide accordingly. We'll find a way to support to bring comfort to our students. That's all. No. Yes, last 2 weeks back, I was meeting for the same issue in Tura. So the principal from Don Bosco Higher Secondary informed us that they are not getting the students. The shortage of more than 150 students short to fill their intake capacity. So even in Synod College or Higher Secondary Shillong, they are telling us we are not getting the students. I don't know, we are anticipating high pressure, but the situation is a bit looking at, a different way. Maybe the reason is, I think more than 90 number of institutions has upgraded to higher secondary school. All the private institutions, government grant aided institutions, they have all, be it RMSA, be it a deficit, be it ADOC, all has been about 90 plus, and all the government, all the government secondary school has been upgraded to higher secondary, and all the existing higher secondary have been given a new stream like arts and science also. These all things, and morning sit has been open. So to address this situation, we have increased our intake capacity too. So equally at the college level, I think this time we know a new 3-4 colleges, new college has been come up, like Mauplang and Patakama, Rongzing, and in and in Mahandagans and Sora, William Nagar, and Bakumara Government College. We have introduced science and commerce. So I don't know whether we will be getting kind of students or not. So this is our concern also now. So, but I'm sure, I think students should not have the problem in taking admission in absorbing. I think state as a whole, we are ready to absorb all the students of the state.
Kakenhon kinong shnong ka mausan ram hakasi balang jong katayo kalalik yakendu yo menteri rangba kejala ukon rat kesangma bandawa kenteo kerdano ya ka mausan ram community and rural development block syaka civil subdivision kabadai kecing angnut kabala slemha jong upai ba katan.
Kakenhon kinong shnong ka mausan ram apa kejing UMDC uba Alvin Saukme. Hagahnya teruk jemang arajar arpusan kle kendo yu menteri rangba kejelau konrad kongkal sangma bat kerpat bantuklar lem lo kejing dawa ban kentiu kardano eka maut senram CNRD block syaka civil subdivision bat kumju ru bersnai ke surok na wailoi syabalat. Habakerani kilat pakai kubor hadin beraya kendo yu menteri rangba uba Alvin Saukme ulong bakini ki artli kimat kidai 11 ateng labon bon senam. Ulapan pau bagi pat ba katan kin sayok kejung metoy ke bakrau lara ke sarkar kan chimkia ban kentiu kardan no ya kani kasian RD block syaka civil subdivision. Namar kum bakalong mentahi ki pat ba na katan bat ki benta jo mau senram ki haban wan syadu syalong ban pendep ki kam ki berit. Bat kani ka kata omtang ya kapor nri wat ya kapisa bat kumjo ru wat ya kabor kejung ki ru kumjo. Ulapan tip ru bagakan huan kali ojeng tip beladap ban pen kre detail project report na kebenta ban chnano ek surok na wailoi syabalat beladap ban pen kre ek sarkar bala kular ru ban bang ya kapisa na ke World Bank
ya kapang iwan ban ai sakoi ka official City show Chief Minister ya man kan mau yang itu kabadai but atli ki benta ya kabakani ki long pending issue jo Mosram constituency kabani kong kadika surok kabalan sa na poweloi shiro shepo balat ya kani ka surok sisa na baka dongkam na mantaka dongka thai hoi ni sokmen na claim jo ka sarkar ba ki la pensiang ki la sanction hado hapo thai beloi bat kala erap sisa namta ki paiba jo ka dongka thai Henry napo weloi sharum tete hadu hapo thai balat dangar sisa ki paiba ki mat sisa ka jinge kamtam ha kapang ka sitom kamtam ha kaban git ya ki tiar kitar ki jonki ki marap ki jonki bat kiwe te ngai ba kani sha kani ka lifeline nam kani stroke kani ka lifeline namanta ki paiba jo ka Mosram constituency te na sukmen ba na kalyang jong ku chief minister ka response u kalong very positive but ni community ba kani ka stroke kinla ban sanction no hakini si ban wan but ni soto ru ba hadin bangiyo ban ya discuss ba ni soto ba kidon ki jaka ba lese kandon ka problem kendiat hakabede bat ka land compensation ne kendiat bat ka banyo jaka banyo ka size juga intermediate land Henry hakni ka por na kwa ban kerpat ya ki paiba jo ka Mosram constituency na kwa ban kerpat ki ramak snong ya ki scheme ki sodaru baginya trading kat lang bat sarkar namar ba kani ka project bla sanction na ka World Bank bat ka World Bank hi kamdon kanu ka ban ong ba bakin ai ya ka land compensation bakin siu ya ki trai jaka te kadai tang ba pinda ai mon subha te nga kerpat ya ki trai jaka nga kerpat ya ki ramak snong bat ya ki scheme ki sodar bakin ya trading kat lang bat ki trai jaka ru unju bakin trading kat lang bat ka sarkar kenang ba kani ka jing angnot jong ki paiba jong ka Mosram constituency bagin yo e kata ka intermediate lane yin yo no ha kani ka jing sanction ling ba ka World Bank ta bat ka benta ka baar bangi ya kendu chief minister kani ka por kadai namenta ka civil subdivision smusi banong ba ka Mosram kadai ka block ka Barimtam hapo kani ka jela Meghalaya ka chumi Henry haduk menta ngimparla ban penkentiu sha ka civil subdivision te ha ka bedai ban kaniru smutrat ba nakalian ka jugu ulo positive uai yengi ka positive assurance nakalian ka jugu ba dukum nuru mauru daladi uang ba kalade ka por ya ka Mosram ban penkentiu no na ka block sha ka civil subdivision te ni shania ha ka jingelam ka jugu ni shania ha ka jingi jingai ku chief minister jonga jela ka jungi but ngam artatin ba hakani ke sarkar ke pemerintah ke Mosram block ngin yo ban penkentiu no sha ke civil subdivision tapi ke exact amount ngam parla ban patai namar bakin padap ke DPR di namar ni ka hakani ke DPR di kre menta de ke exact amount ngam la ban patai lepai pi hang ne handai nga sutu ba haba nakalian jo government ka long committed ti kamat long kat lo ka amount ru handri ya kani ka surok kumalong menta inyo be nakalian jo ka sarkar
khot yangi ban ya don lang hakani ka jingli ngi chief minister kum ki dong senshar ngi su burong yi bai la sim kya ya kini issue ki ba long ki issue ki ba don kam na ka benta ki pai ba dong so sidong tok ya hima ki jongi marang ti ngi don pun tli ki ba tentang mi kumat ka benta jong ki hima ki bun aku ke Mosram wabun ki melakukan bagi don ya gajuk kasur ba aba kinomi patui ki chim ya kanu di isu ka don ka ni ai ke jian trilang parti nomor kalau gaji ku tapi nakalang jungi ki don sensar ni la ju experience ya ki buku ki dia nomor ki patba jungi hang ti ki beli ki patba ki bom sutu ya gaji bentoi ki development global di nakalang jungi ru ni la Pular Rahmat chief minister nomor kumbalong iba alvin ba kamdan kanu kudo kalan compensation ndre gini le kat bala ban persutu iki trai jaka ki masih akda makin ai kluit nomor kani kanu gaji ku ya kadang bari utai ke batoi pat ni sukmen shibun ru ba kumom ba alvin meneba ya ka civil subdivision nomor po kamo serap konstitusi ki dan sispa so punyu le sispa san totally kisno Te kajingwan juga civil solution selesai kalung kaba kajing kerpui yang ikipai ba. Nomor kebun kinong kendong sa Manwan Shillong ke Iskasil district ayat. Kajing yo ya ka mau seram civil solution selesai kalong 100% yang laban no. Habangi yo syok lah pun chief minister. Te kajingwan nangi tungi selesai kalong kajing kerpui apa kajing lah ba. Albin di belum di sini.
Kinoyalam ke Hinyotrep Youth Council HYC riboy sepngi hakala sing ublay jong katayo ke ladawan ki bor pinya jong kawar Mausau Primary Health Center PHC ban pen biang ye ki doktor bat kinos namar ba ki pat ba ki la sham jing ban yo ke jing somar haba ki pang ki shitam.
Kinoyalam ke Hinyotrep Youth Council riboy sepngi hagasan trek jemang hajar arpusan kiladawan ki bor beri kmi ya kawar Mausau Primary Health Center ban penbiang doktor bat kinas mardor namar ka jingmat jing jgi pat ba kene kathanya ka bede bila jing sumar ha kane ka PHC nagaleng HYC riboy sepni beralam khamat daw RC thangkheu presiden lambat kidikot hadien ba kilayo bandum ik jing ujor ke pat ba ke belamat jing ha ba kilit pak sumar ha kane ka PHC hawar Mausau tang namar bamdon ki doktor ni kinas kumta kilalit bani kendo iki bor juga ni kecaka sumar ban ujor haki bara kejuk ko poru ban kentu iki bakin kemi lam ya kene kejing habakran ni kidong tho ko bor RC thangkheu le tho bakasang haden balayo kene kejing uat ni pat ba kilalit bani kendo ya u doctor in charge jong kene ke PHC le tho bakasang galara ekamat lor kejing bamdan doktor nenos bapura ha kene ke PHC ke bobo jing skade ki pat ba kene kathan ha kaba u doktor u bede khmiru la ku bore ke jing bamdan doktor namar rangshan we u doktor u le eno eka kam na kene ke PHC ndrai he ke bede beginners de tho beginners ki don kat kong gabha balabo na ke benta ki PHC komta na kaliang HYC ri boy sep ni kala dawa mardor ki bor ki bede khmi kene PHC bagi di bentung doktor no mardor kene ke jaka sumar kenang bakal nembo jing ya ki pat ba jo kene kathan
mentang sin hal yang jingkum kasang Hinyotrep Youth Council jong karib hoi sepni harin ka jingyo jongi ya ki jing ujor na ki bubun balang ki ba syong ki besa kali ka than warmusau habri bat ka jingduna jong ki nungtre ha kane ka PHC hanya po syong warmusau nang ta ka jing bomdon jong u doktor namar kan do menta u doktor don tang we namar jing sya ka pun ka kadi hapo PHC kadi dan aruk ke doktor nri menta jidon tang we doktor te kani ka bujing bha ya ki pajba ki bawan ban don kam ni doktor ne bat ki wi ki staff ki bade bat ki ba don kam ha bade bat ka jingpang ka ba kwa ban do doktor hadin ka jing ujor jeki sangi la yang sang mata ka singil wan ban wan jungo bat nilai kenduk bat doktor in charge jong ka PHC ne posal wa sau bat hadin ka jing kran jongi bat u ulai thu ba ka jing shahi ha bade bat ka jing bom don shu une we doktor ba ya trilang du ha ka PHC ka daw long ba ula resignation no ya ka kam ka ba utri ha po jong ka PHC te naleng jung ula ong ba kila dep tho ru sha ka ni company ka ba simwai bakin sapa no ya doktor ha ki si ka ban sawan bat ha bat ki staff ki batri ha po jong ka PHC ula kren ba ki kardu menta ki staff ki biang kat kun ka jing don jong ki pus ki ba maki ki tre hadin ke jingkran jungi banalang jungi bat uno doktor ngala ongru yu ba nalang jungi kun ka sang himkwa banile kai ka jingim jong pat ba ka besong basa apo jungi than ni kwa ya ka company bakan penbiang no habri bat ki doktor ki ban pre po jungi PHC nang ta ki staff ki ban pe ya ka PHC khnang ba ki pat ba ha ba ki wandon kam ha ka PHC ki bon shimdawai ne ki no ki bon wandon kam ha PHC kan long ke jimun toy namta ki pat ba ki besong ka basa apo jungi ka than apo jungi ka jaka kata ka ni mesej ka basai ka bangila dia pentip shan doktor ba keju ko porong la kho isti bangin ai su shan company ka besimwai khang ba maka kan le don kam bangi pha ka mesej ka basai shan company ka besimwai ka long ba lada nanglen juga ni company ka baron ni ka PHC lada kam sim kia halor jong ki mat ha ka banaleng jingi kum ka sengila bu khamat ka jongki kamut banaleng jingi sengin sawan biang saisin bat ngin sepek lada kat ni ka company ke ba peniai ekni ka PHC lada kam tri kam kat kum jing kwa jung pat ba ka ju por kum jing kwa jung kum ka seng tegin sa le ka ban kam leng jing kum ka seng
Komisi Binta ban pentikna bagi patbakin yo eko umbam umdi ke bakun hak sibalang jong katayo UMLA ke South Shillong constituency ubasan bor Julai ula play patba ya ke scheme sam ne ke additional water supply scheme nak benta ki patba jong ke constituency.
Ya kene ke additional water supply scheme lamang tengka de ke atal mission for rejuvenation and urban transformation nak amrut kabadi ke scheme jong ke sarkar pedang nak bentak senam arhajar arpuwe arpuar bar arhajar arpulai arpusau bala pentri de ketenat PHE ke sarkar jela bar ke Shillong Municipal Board ha ke jengmang pisa ke bakot nyoklur nyopsaulak khatsan hajar tengka kani ke scheme ke deban maramot dan deban senapan bahai rukom sam ha ke thain laban kamtam hamadan laban de ke baplat ya ke na ka jaka pelang kabalasna na ukopor besen syar ki pareng ha kesem syajar kendai sepak lai pun rio. Kani ke top belasna na kesem syajar kendai sepak lai pun rio kadeban pelang duna yak R. Arsan lak litar ban penbiang yak mam di skinong snong kalaban bat madan laban bat kijaka ke memarjan. Hagini kesengi ubasan bor Julai ula pelat yak lang bagi pipe ke betemai ha ke jingdan rengkat jengkirang ba snong ki pipe ba nong snong bat ke officer jong ketrat PHE bat Shillong Municipal Board. Ubasan bor Julai ulong bala bujli ki pipe ki bala rim bad penpoi syaki jaka pelang ki badan ki snong jong kalaban kam tame hamadan laban ulong ru bagini ke scheme kan long jing mentoi ki nong snong ban yo ko bam di kam tam habakat barang mi kisnam kene kathan kelanang roi syu
ko kabung implan kalong ba hagi di kisnam ki bladem iladep selum paring boro selum paring kilo rum paring iladep release ko warisa Napa warisah hiladep, nama tak mensan kita hiladep. Kita kan Kenchestris, Bishnupur, Rumcharski, Oxford, Relbong Dunun Kampung gitu mencipta hiladep pelat. Ya kau teman tak kan yang pelat, mudkannya ke total sanction jangan yang lalu ka central scheme bagi sebatai sebagai yang tay, combine lang, ke state scheme juga PHE, baju ke Shillong Municipal Board. Ki granite scheme gitu bagi combine baru yang ada scheme kau bagi pelat petasi. Kalau nyokurur nyopsaulak. Combine central scheme, state scheme, board PHE municipal. Kalau nyokurur nyopsaulak. Te ngasuang tangkawai ba mo kadang-kadang kiai matasi bangin ya pelat yang aku haji don langjong ar ki dor ba cerong. Kiwi ki dor ba cerong iladap akhir sistem ki balek. Jadi juga sistem ki balek bentangin pelat padagane kapkan lech cha laban brokoi, laban pulun baru saki benta jongka laban riat laban. Kalau syai kupta begini ya, pelan jadi ko. Kadang kalau specifically tang yang Shillong Municipal Board area. Te ngia perkat yang ada marba kadang kala sedang haga nakalian kancing ya dia keren interaction. Te babul ke official bar ki dong kit kam Shillong bar kile ai jingmut bahot ya ke haru benta kapian that was during usnam kan rais fa arah dar kan kenai then re katon pa bilong concern ku kinong chong ba kum apply ba menta what namanta ka future plan kumno bangin le nomor ba man kasi kilasan ban mi guest house kia sira saw mala san bala kilan kamum bili building ki kini asam type lalu ki bayati kila pral asna be go hati por ka building bylaws kalong G+3 kamut saw mala tementala arsnem pat benta kalami G+5 hiyo bencere ini tendru mala temur kejing don kami ka umdi kumsat kumding kalong keba high demand pidi mentala kalong commercial building everywhere tinggi perkat yang kata ko por bi house araga kenlai tinggi seselang ban initiate ini scheme kalong kedi scheme no personal scheme untuk por ka bagi perkat but kita ngedon rubun kini scheme ke ba kita ngedon ruki bun ki proposal ke begini ya penkreat syai ke beri keren but ngin dari keren kamu kut tang ne begila pelat yang ko ke ba nyokrur nyop saulak kala kut tang ne ndai ngiapan perkat pilai katne kat de ki ban kasih ba celai mentalin riu malah kipen prai ki rim gelanang sira batiet dong tiet batiet ki atiet tu gelanang sira ko ke kam ke consumption ni ko ke ba high demand kini ki expert na po ka municipal board pa na po ka PHE but ru na ki dor bar sulong mangiru ka balon nei ka bayu kolong na benta ka future plan ya plan bang ini warai ko ho ngide ki guardian dan ngide ki try jo kita ngom hangne hapo rai dapat pelunjungi baru ada report kareng lagi mentang kesaki naru 1936 laslai ti telongom ho ada ke ku bele nyim ku rum re kalong pa kumlo ban lum ya ka ban kita buon ko naret tenra ru karang dan ko kata karet tenra ko belum apa try kejar jauh lum silo ko bagi 4 sim naret tenra lu bentar da katur ko dan option kata ka shat ko cer kai ba karet tenra antai bar ka so na ku bele we ni kiro rong ba iba ngakot iba tik beli ngam iba la yalam yang itu sistem kata tenra ho ngimpat jupoi yang tu hagi niki shiphouse kanar sistem mencua hagi dia tre yalam waiting ramba wa yalam yang iba la that this is not the end ira ong ibatik melim ngam kamre ki jingkut rekale bas luar ngai jepi ngai yalam jepi kale ru rachani si ba bring la chim na ngai sila dia bas luar kata kentin kepada jauh mat itu ibatik boleh nongker hui yang ba kale ngari option riat tenra kabale si 4 judon balik ya riat tenra ngin sepet ya wis ngi bagi press pilih pet ki isinya ba kar riat ko ba ba hati por latun hati bun sistem la ro bisi lalu ngi jeki becer hai Walau ru ke proposal ke PhD itu ke porban tam itu ke umban ra syaba tu kerai kapan lalu ke JK atau ke por mengenang lu MPC bagi misi belasah. Terus nomor ini di try terkariat ternak saya ternak dalam dua option ke bagi lah belum bisa umpor lo ko ke solution lo.
Kamigalia Board of School Education MBOS hak alak sing play jong katayo kalapan benaya ke result jong ke Higher Secondary School Living Certificate HSSLC ne ke class 12 hak Science, Commerce but Arts but hak ini baru lightly ke examine ke jing pas jong ke kena puli kalatam ya ke prapau na ke sispa.
Number 5, Deputy. Number 8.
Hakani ka kenti ke pemerintah ke MBOS kalau pembina ya ke result jong baru ki stream hak jo kesni. Bat kani la asia ke deh kesian ke bendingkong namar haba kisnam di balalej lapan bena syuai ke result jong ke HSSLC Science but Commerce bat lapan buat pada kejeng ke bena jong result kam hadian jong ke Arts stream. Hakani ka kenti ke pemerintah hak Science stream usap tarshi bata charji jong ke Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School Ulawan Bendingkong nak bayo South Park Praplai Marks Adrishana Roy Chowdhury jong ke St Anthony's High Secondary School Chilong Kalawan Baar nak bayo South Park Hanyo Punyo Marks bat Kashwete Sarma jong ke St Anthony's High Secondary School Kalawan Balai nak bayo South Park Hanyo Pulai Marks. Keladon lai hajar kendai spa arpu arngot bele ya ke Science stream bat kibapas kilong lai hajar arspa san pulai ngot. Bat kejingdon kibapas barok kalong prapuar point kendai sau nak sispa.
Still now I can't even digest it. It's a surreal moment for me. I'm just in a euphoric state. I don't have words actually to describe this.
You can tell us about your preparations.
See, I never had a routine actually. Okay? My only thing was to be sincere. That's it. Be sincere and be consistent. That's it. That what moved me through this and kept fueling me.
So daily, how many hours you used to study?
Actually, people think that I studied like 10-15 hours. It was never that. It was like never even 6-7 hours. It was less than that. Just that I did it every day and never skipped it. That's it.
And what about the support from your father is here, from the parents?
They have been with me through this process. My mother, my whole family, the school, everyone, all the teachers, everyone. They have supported me like hell. Actually, I can't have say now anything. I'm just out of words now.
What is your next plan?
I want to pursue Big Tech in aerospace. That's it.
You want to pursue here or outside?
Outside.
So what is your ambition in life?
To be engineer in NASA or ISRO.
Haka Commerce Stream 4 ka Disha Chokani jang St. Anthony's High Secondary School Kelawan Benengkong de kabayok South Pa Prapue Max, Unishan Talukdar Ulawan Baar de kabayok South Pa Nyokundro Max, pad Udi Pangkar Barwa Ulawan Balai de kabayok South Pa Andro Pra Max. Bad kini barok kidai na Kalaban Bengali Boys High Secondary School. Kajing pas ki kena Haka Commerce Stream kalong Prapue Point Arpra Nakshispa. Hagaban nak Arhajar Sanspa Iwengut Kebelele, Arhajar Laipulai Ngut Kilapas.
Did you expect that you will get this second position?
No, I didn't expect the second position. Like I thought I'll be in top 10, but second position was like surprise for me. And like I remained motivated throughout the year, and that's the key to success. I believe.
So what are your plans from here?
Further plans like that I will be pursuing CA or I'll be giving competitive examination and will be going abroad.
So what is your ambition? What do you want to become in your life?
In life, I want to become an IS or like going abroad, like MEA in Ministry of External Affairs. Message to the younger generation will be like to be motivated throughout the year and be consistent, because consistency is the key to success. Whatever you will get only through consistency, and nothing can change it. That's the harsh truth.
On the fourth position in the state from Commerce Department. So I'm very thankful to everyone, especially St. Edmunds. St. Edmunds has supported me a lot. I believe in the proverb which says where there is a will and there is a way. So it was my will to come into top 10 in the merit list of Meghalaya, but then I thought I can't achieve it. But then fortunately I achieved it. And then I'm very nervous and I can't speak right now. But then I want to thank my teachers, especially my tuition teachers. Even he helped me so much. The school teachers, the subject teachers, and everyone, the entire admins. Unfortunately, the past principal is not here right now, Brother Benjamin. I would like to thank him too. He was the great motivation for me. That's it. Thank you so much.
Haka Arts Stream 4 u Albert Mate Badka Idawan Plishisha Swear na St. Edmunds High Secondary School Shillong Kelayok Badlang Ketan Kebeningkong Dek Bayok Marsaus Pak San Kusan Max. Kaneli Mary Kamdait ke St. Edmunds High Secondary School Kelayok ke Kedan ke Baar ke Bayok Saus Pak San Koi Max. Bad ke Kedan ke Balai Layok Daka Safilia Walang ke St. Paul's High Secondary School Nongpo ke Bayok Saus Pak San Koi Max. Hagani ke eksamen keladon Arpu Arhajar Praspa Laipusan Ngut kikena ke belele ke eksamen Ndrei ke belapas pat kidan kat Prahajar Nyos Pak Laikan Rungut. Bagi jumdan ke bapas kalong Prapu Ar point not san na kisispa.
Kung tengah ay mo siya ling ba jung yo ka jingkut ko kalong ba ro ay mo iki kai ki naga school ke ba ay ka jingkai principal ki baju yang ong be ini pening minat pat kami tamri kami kiba kersanya kiba ay sport ke bang lingkam lagi pat bu kiba yang bahasa kiba kerja kejimpen kre ka ngam de buat hanya ka study schedule namar ba kidan ki jinja ting apang shitam te hindray ngayang minat ngalong consistent, and I put in my hard work. So tangatahi kare jinja minat kidan di jing namar nga di shitam bit ban kapon tikiban ki jing pang ki jing shitam hindray wala ka taru ngayay duay uble punaya takabot but ngaru ngayay pen kre nga put in hard work ka barang yo ipor itang bakinyat ro ini nga ndut ha ka jing pule ni shakmat I'll go for degree dengan shim honors political science and it's a bit katong ke ikabansayat.
Kadang-kadang juga pakai pasal pandang ni juga pakai kena ki nang shakmat.
Bakin yay minat kendan ya ka jingkam bakin bu ya ka hard work na do bas tam ka baslap bakim de ban bu tang ni ki jing puli namar kat kan ke age ni bon distractions de hingin bu kita inside and we have balance ikalay ni la ban ke pinir ko amo hindi ni ban balance lang si jinde de kama ninyo ikathong ko ni ko ngin bu ko ski dreams
Ki marks kena ki highest ngayo akadika English ngayo 97 tu mah kemen ayat 97 tu expect But ka second ketika sociology ngayon 99 para kiwi-kiwi ru 99 kita hadir ngayon di position ni aku expect itu perkataan ni asu emang layak pangrupi pelajari ngapun yo kreatif bah nota lalu depression dulu kendiat kawan hit pedang ti henripat lah ke berkejing Arab tu email bi Yemen juga gila penyerap yang asya berkejing dua itu penyerap syah atau ngalak pengkatkan ngalak ben sutu ngalak ben lihat bahan di exam
Kuno ka jadi
kre ta emang nafishem ka subject bafiit tu syong nafi di bafiit English bafiit ka maths deh nafi kre ti subject di kamlong pun bad de ka kam fi long fi le ke bafiit deh ti ngan recommend nafi di kelas 11 at 12 ta nafi le EU fi jet subject bafiit kre gitu kanum de ka kam fi kandi ka kadi ko hobby fi di ka kam fi lesson atau berkajing imru tu fi kata advice life advice kendat fi bebe ki iba fi it bela hajing im kena kata kajing imru fi kan bebe ke pasung tenap bebe ke bebas dia berkata ikut beli kibul
ha kene kajing permenai result jong ke HSSLC ha Meghalaya u captain jong ke kunhunai lakai cricket ke Meghalaya jong ki bahapo khat khandai snam karta shim layo ban kamai san phoran ne sisparan Henry ulayok man kamay pat saus pa Andre Pupra Marks bat yo ya ka kerdan ka balai ha ka examen class 12 jang ka commerce stream. Uniu noi lakai cricket ke jela udah di Pangkar Barwa bapulia ka laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School Shillong. Bat ha gajing im jung uhi uple jing mot ka jeng lakai cricket bat kumjur u gajing pulia habau yo alat. Udi Pangkar ulaong bola pen krek bahan ka bentagan ke examen. Re udap pat ka jeng kendet bon yo sendan ni ka kerdan ka balai. Ulang bawat lau layo ke kedan ke balai bat unlet ban pulih ke BBA dekat thong ba gajing ang jung uhi ha gajing im kalong ban long unoi lakai cricket ubat tebet udi Pangkar ulang ba kalong ke ba ashibuan man plek jingmut lang ha gajing lakai cricket bat kumju a gajing pulih bat ke senam ke balalet shim layo ban let bahasa skol ne wat ban pulih kum balai benai namar bulih lakai ha kaleng ke jela ban mi khmat ke Meghalaya uni unoi lakai ulang bagi no hikai bagi perlok jung gila ai men siam bahayu bun kre ka kot bat ban pen kre ka examen bat ulayo pat ban khet ya uso jong ka jing job.
So how do you feel about your results?
Actually, I was not expecting the third position. It was a total surprise for me because I prepared only for like a good percentage with what I could get admission in any college which I desire. So this third position was a total shock for me.
So what are your plans?
My further plans are like any commerce student he pursues BCom or BBA only. So I'm opting for BBA in finance field, and the college I haven't chosen yet. I'll see which is the best college around, because I was not expecting this percentage. So I think like I'll go for a more better college now.
So what do you want to become?
Actually, I'm also in the sports field, so my first target is to become a professional athlete, and my studies are just like a backup for me, where I can, like, if the professional athlete, my dream doesn't get into reality, so I can go on with the backup also.
Adding to that, you are a state cricket player.
Yes.
So can you tell how do you adjust both studies and the cricket playing?
Actually, it was quite difficult for me for like adjusting like both the worlds. My professional athlete is another world and studies is another world. So it was quite difficult for me. And last year I could not. I was not in school for like 3 months. I was like other parts of the country to represent my state. So it was quite difficult. Those 3 months I could not study also because there were practice and everything. So it was quite tiring. So I could not like focus on studies. But after I came back, I thought like, okay, I'll study for like 4 to 6 hours and I'll try my best to get a good percentage. But what really helped me was a good friend circle and good teachers. They actually motivated me. Like, you can do it. You have the capability inside of you. So actually, you need to have a good friend circle with you, who are friends who are motivating you, who are pushing you to go forward.
Like at your age, you are focusing yourself not only in studies but even in sports. But what we've seen in today's in our state is that many youths are into drugs. So what is your message to the youths of our state?
Like regarding this, we the generation are called the Gen Z. So the Gen Z are mainly affected by our friend circle. If we have a good friend circle who are motivating and pushing us forward, we'll definitely go in the right path. But if we have friends like negative friends, and we will attract a negative mindset also. So we need to have a good friend circle. Then only we can move to positivity. If you have a negative friend circle who keep pushing you down, they are just like, come room with us, why study so much, nothing will happen. If you have like that friend circle, then you'll totally get into drugs, alcohol and everything, which will not take you anywhere. It is just like pleasure for like 2-3 minutes or just for few hours. You cannot risk a future for pleasure of few hours. The main pleasure which comes is like it is better to have a pleasure after 5 years than 5 years of pleasure and 50 years of regret. Just that.
Habang yung peteng biang iki kubor sa sisingin penken mau iki mat pagongsan jong ke kubor mentah katayo. Nang jur ke jingither hapadeng ke India bat ke Pakistan. Dum teliu ke Solshilong Maria Rio ke Siren Bashawan Hertma. Lum jingalang u Deputy Chief Minister bat ke officer ke BSF ke Deputy Commissioner halo ke jingke Sainarsha Hakithan Kapur. Umas niya bahalang dhar uday ban Hershuki Mardor Nang banyo ya ke jingtok ket kabakhoy ong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Penpulam ki pulet ke Ribhoi District ya ke jing tumulum pisa ke HNLC yok kem armut kit khot. Penjari ke Sorkar da ke Korkiu Mir haki jaka kapur ke Jela bat Bangladesh. Pau bha ke St. Edmunds, St. Anthony's bat ke Laban Bengali Boys haki result HSSLC arhajar arpusan. Bat kakam rep so strawberry kedai ke bapinyo nong bha yakinong rep. Banyale ban plelat ikisamla bakin pentebit yakasap kapong ke jongki hakakam than bat shnajing shnade kisit hakala siuble jong katayo ke Department of Commerce and Industries rengkat bat ke North East Cane and Bamboo Development Council NEC BDC kalapan hap perdano ya ke program ajing hikai ke ba artayo ke balapan long hapo ke NEC BDC ha bernihat Assam.
Da kejing temu benang pentebit syok iksamla dan sab aga kamtan bat snajing snar usiet na kaliang katnat Commerce and Industries jong Sarkar Jela rengkat kejing trelang bat ke North East Cane and Bamboo Development Council kala penkut no ek program aji kai ke artayo ke belatip kum ke executive course on bamboo handicrafts and utility products making ya ke balapan long ha ke NEC BDC ha bernihat. Kumar pelangut kisamla na kalengki district jang kejela Meghalaya kli ojing mentoy lengba ke program aji hikai kabalamang lengba ke raising and accelerating MSME performance kabala sedang naruk arpui trik biayong bat kabala kod akasan trik ujemang hagini ki artayo jang kejing aji hikai kini shimbenta kli yo aji hikai ban pentebet syok ban shna ne thanjing than kum ki shelia ki syang ki kriya ki jingdeng baper bat kiwe da bapendan kam da usia Nagaliang ke NEC BDC lambat katnat DCIC. Keliok ban penkuk buram ya baro arpulangut kisamla ke bala pendap ya kania ka program aji hikai. Ha kebalawan Malaysia menta da UMC Omi Ningshen nag IRSIT Managing Director ke NEC BDC bat kiwe. Ha bakran ke program UMC Ningshen ulai ke jingero igni kitnat rekam bikinala ban pendolong ya kom kini ke program aji hikai ke bejob. Ya kiban aji mentoy ru iki brio kibuan banishim benta. Ula kentui kini arpulai ngut kisamla ke bala pendap ikni ke jinghikai bakin penon kamhok yala kasap badikala jinghikai ke bakilayo. Kani kesenjam man pentebet kisamla ke badan sap kani katong jong Sarkar banang penjenai ke sap jeng kisamla bakin la banyo ke kam kajam bat bakin la ruban kamai jakpo.
Kateng jonga dei batu darente tengawan napo snong kan basinte gawan nang ne banuan training gawan na podis na is kasih gawan nang ne banuan training ya lade bantang ban petebit ya lade te gawan nang ne ngayo si pun ti mertoy ba ai jin kai hang ne no bangin sina ya kini kisang hang ne bat kuno bangin bit penbiang ya kini kijang hang ne kalau si pun kajuan jonga hang ne minta bangayo ban mang petebit susu ya kijang di bangin sina kalau gaji bento yang i bawan hang ne ba ini ki sar hang ne ki rapen kai ban petebit yang i ya kini hangi demi dibangun patusna hampos na jongi ilong di design di bacan mai kata-kata ngalong ngasih yo jemeta sipun ya lagi bangawan hang neduta te kemen hirup kinsayo alang di jingsna hang ne kinsayo alang kebayo himbanga hang ne te kini di jingsna hang ne am sina kum ki syang do ki ria balaso ngento bat kidon sipun ki syang di bangalanya persyang macna hang ne bat kalau ngejemeta yang ni bangawan hang ne
te iong ba petipun pa ka nakaliang zong ka bambu sektor kabun pa ka opportunity mo kemud lara pietri ikwa long pi ikwa mentan biki dengan pia trai tang ikan kam ne pietri ko ka pat ki kam nomor bon lagi yang trai ba trai kini kam ko ma po ri bhoi ni lap begini yu kinong rap so am nomor ba ki trai lang te kena kam rap ki trai ski kena kam than ki trai tang min in step chipang then they like kita ibet fully yani kamam ya kam bamboo handicraft kada potential bhai yo iba soam dia nakaliang jong i nakaliang department jong iru yang begini ya tilang begini nang penyak cakmat susu ikan kam yang kam jong pi kan pada latang ada kam kaliang training dan dia ada kam ba fi penmi kamaru yang bagat ke scheme kidang elek mata proposal mata kata market access soam market access kemud ba Lada film ni gimar, lada film tip bandi channel kamu buat aja betul ya Vivi. Dari market access ini tu yang bagi dengan tayar berkat Amazon ru, so Amazon ni po online, bagi dia online ni gimar mo. Dia ring bagi ni di e-portal ru, gilaban bandi ni gimar tu Vivi mo. Tikum jual yang ba, kadang pakai ni kam jadi kadang do yang training film sab nang mentas kiki ayam gini tulkit ifiru. Tikum buat ba, dah filet pie yang Pidai menyelek bang bandum penduk yang dikam. So mesti tang lawan training ni khatansi filak bio tulkit kemudian saya pilih saya kemudian mulai isu. Ndai pidai bani ai trai yang dikam kanang bakan ne kam jopi. Ka skills punya pan ai malakas ni. So dalam film trai kemudian sekelat no ai bawa training ni. Kali ni kata.
Kum shibenta ban aimin sim ya kinong ilek kai ke balawan ra nam bat burom hagasni sajan jong katayo baladep ka right laban sports social and cultural organization RLSSCO kala penlong ya ka 13th sports achievement award arajar arposan ha indoor sports hall lumparing ha ka balapan kup burom ya ki khat sangut kinong ilek kai ki balayo khuri kitakama ha ka jeng yakop ilek kai ki bapher
Ya kini ki khat saumut kino ilakai ki basong basa ha ka South Shillong constituency. Lapan ku buram du MLA ka South Shillong ubasan Borsulai ha ka baledon rekat UMDC ka laban uba Riki Shulai kirang ba shnong nak shnong bapher kumju. Kini kino ilakai ki blashapan ku buram kini ki balayo khori kita kama ha ki jinga ilakai ha ka North East Zone Championship ka balalong Arunachal Pradesh bad ha ka Meghalaya Games Arhajar Arpusan. Balapan ku buram kini kino ilakai de ka ki kusnam bat ka song pisa ka basan Hajar Tengkar. Nalor kani ubasan Borsulai lapan ku buram ru ikino ngelam jaka Meghalaya Sports Climbing and Mountaineering Association. Ki balongan ra enam bat buram ke jela ha ki jinga ko bapher. Ubasan Borsulai ulong baga jing temu jaka ni jing pen ku buram kino ilakai kalong kum kadak bat aiman CMK kamtam haba kiliyo khor kita kama bapher bagani kijing ai jingerap kadai ke ulamang lang ba ke discretionary grant bana ke tulap jong u kumu MLA nalor kijing pun ko buram kino ilakai kladon ru kijing pesauto ikipat no shokshnong shfanga scheme jong sarkar pedeng ke belatip kum ka Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana ha ka ba ke officer ke muda kelawan man ajik pensyai halor kene ke scheme
Kabalang Catholic hagasni palay jong katayo kalajit yo Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost kumupo ubatmai balapan banaya kani hakamat jong kipau hajar ngut kipat ba kibalaya lum ha St. Peter's Basilica jong Vatican.
In the last few seconds we have seen white smoke billowing out of the Sistine Chapel chimney. This is breaking news. We have a new pope. The Sistine Chapel
Hashwa ba kandan kajing penmana ya kajing yo pop ubatmai. Lapan ni kadak asyen jikirunget bat jikipat ba hakabalapan mi akat pedam kabalik nak atas kana jang ke Sistine Chapel. Hakabakladon kajing yalang nak conclave jang ke Cardinal banjit yo pop hading kajing klakno jang Pope Francis hak arpui terbiayong. Hadian kani kipat ba kelawan menelum magani ke Jaka badu Pope Leo the 14th ulami ban kerani kipat ba ke balaab ban yo iyo. U Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost ude Pope uba ars pa androponyo jangka balang Roman Catholic. Lakha yu Pope Leo bakhat sau ha ka khat sau trek unai lor ke senam syajar kendai sepasan kusan ha Illinois Chicago. Ula sedang ya kejeng play theological ha ka Catholic Theological Union ha Chicago. Pada kerta ke bar punyo senam. Lapa anu usha Rome manit pule ha ka Pontifical University of St. Thomas. La kentang yu kumulem do oblay ha ka kat kendai trek ujelio syajar kendai sepak propuar ha ka Augustinian College of St. Monica. Ha u Archbishop bat nang nia pada ula beteng ban trei ki kam paper bat ban bat ru ki kerdan paper ha ke jing syatri jung ke balang bat dikira unget akeleng kiri. Hadir gejeng klak no jeng Pope Francis, sispak lak pulangut ki Cardinal kle shimbata ke conclave bagi lejiat ya u Robert Francis Prevost kum u Pope u batmai menelam kirunget Catholic ke badan hasat telak ke pertai.
Giving his blessing to the world on that morning, on that day of Easter Sunday. Allow me to continue that same blessing. God loves everyone. Evil will not prevail. We are all in the hands of God. So without fear, united, hand in hand, with God and among ourselves, we go forward. We are disciples of Christ. Christ goes before us. The world needs His light. Humanity needs Him. But as the bridge between God and His love. May we all build bridges with dialogue and encounter so that we can all be one people, all in peace. Thank you, Pope Francis, for all you've done. We're hearing the first words here of Pope Leo the 14th, just elected Pope.
Kumshibanta ban pinya yo usok shan ni strawberry hakata yo baladep la penlong ya kata masa pen inam ke ba arsengi yo usok shan bat kiwai ki jingbam ke bala pen mi nau te usok hagashnong sok dia sning sian RD block.
And farmers, we feel blessed and happy. Together we celebrate strawberry festival.
Banang kentiu ya kayok kokot jekonyong rap sok shan no strawberry hak distrik Ribhoi. Pada kibai distrik jong jela kamtam banra ikan nam jong sok shan. Ki bor ke sarkar jela Meghalaya hak jeng trelang bat ketenat jong okai perthai. Sesian gelala ban penlong ya karong kata sok shan ne strawberry festival. Bagi lapan inam ru ya kibai ki jingbam ki belashna na strawberry. Ya kini korong kata guba arsingi ha ke distrik Ribhoi la penlong ha ke shnong solia ka bahab opok sning sian RD block.
Keteng janga ka di Rusalamet kadi na po shnong umti di kini ki strawberry ki badai na kwela jok na po farm na jok na po umti di kini ki juice ki bangis nahi di kini ki strawberry kini ki wine bangis nahi di kini ki strawberry hibaro di na kani ki strawberry ngi yo juntoy shi bun bha namar kamtam kumplor mentalong banyo kam kalong jenjab ha kadiru kadi kawai nakakam kapangile ha ka jigim man kasbi kabangiya yo jumentoy shibon nakani pero kabay shibon
do keteng janga kalong dinibalin do nang lagi pamilis nang nihin ko so iya kumong rep yo katini yo strawberry jam aku asha strawberry ya kini mungkin yo akan di nakasi batujuru ada yusyo nan terwas di patisna ada nang era tong liai tingi kuman strawberry ngi kasi pun ha tala kan nolaji kau kan nam gila tu strawberry am iyo jing toy sibun ha te dak jing wan jong ka festival iyo jing toy om tang yang i simen re tam ya ka snong ka thau ken iyo jing toy te yo nu so em ni lady pada sa ngilaban pa supply sa po guati entar tela dam melasu la po selong kan ipa sa guati juru gini gi wan strawberry rush na hi yang ni ya po senang so liyai jadi mesti de ki sibun ha
ya kini karong katau so asan kebelalong hak arterik ujemang bat kaban kot akalai terik ujemang arhajar arpusan kejing angno jong sarkar jela kalong menawan ra kejing itu ke bakerpang yo so asan ya karukom rep ke baitenan ba kejing kentiau ru ya kam jengok kai pertai ha ke baki nong wan kilayo benishim benta bat ikalat ban mat yau so asan yaki umso bat kiwi kiwi jat jingbam Nagaliang Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Riboyu Abilash Baranwal ulalong kongsan ula ai kejing ro iki bor jong sarkar jela lembat ketenat jengok kai pertai ki balanang beteng ban penlong yakum kini ki rensan hakaban la ban peninam ya ki ba penmi nang ke jela ula ai ru kejing ro yo ba ostan daleng khoi ubalong wen ki nong rep so asan ubala pau ke jela Meghalaya kalau kisinjam cu manang kentiu ka kam rep so asan da ka beben rap ru ba ka kam ke barap iruso kalau ngaba peni onong ba ulong sesup nakaliang kibor ke sarkar jelak lang penmi kilat jingerap ban kentiu ya ke jingerap yu so asan bat banon ra ru ikilat ban kentiu ya ka kam rep nakaliang uba ostan daleng khoi wen ki urang ba balapau ka kam rep so asan bat kum urang ba asnong ka solia ule tho bai kejing lenti kejung ka kam rep so asan hakaba ula sedang de baseng ya ka kam rep tang rapo wajar tengka nrai namar kejing trishtom leng ba ka kam rep jung menta ula la bani onong hagador ka bahaya baduken ba ka kam rep so asan ka de ka kam rep ko ba pedi onong ba ban ya kiwi kijat kam rep ule tho ru ba ka snong solia ka kam rep so asan kelas sedang ha ka senam syajar kandai spa apra leng ba kisan putli ki sembai kum ka jing persang ya kejing rap yung nujat so nrai na do ka senam arhajar saw hadang kejingwan ra akilat ki betamai ka kam rap menta ke distrik Riboy kalala ban penmi kumba sispa nyopusan hado arspa prapauton uso asan bat kedai ka kam ka bayo onong bhaja kinong rap
Te paralok baro da kitu ki kubor ngila poi se bakut jang tup kubor jang i menta kata yo ngin se syam biang bat pi la syam ta yo pu play